There are 6 main functions of the muscular system, one of them being movement of the skeletal muscles. This is when tendons allow movement across a joint. There are 2 different types of movement: gross movement, which is big movements such as running and swimming, or fine movements such as writing or speaking. The different types of movement are isometric, concentric, and eccentric. Another function of the muscular system is that it pumps blood around the body. The myocardium is a muscle in the heart which pumps the blood around the body so that the blood becomes oxygenated, which allows for aerobic activity. Postural muscles are muscles that are always partially contracting. They are not powerful muscles, however they allow for stability and posture when sitting still. Another function of the muscular system is breathing. Your intercostal muscles in between your ribs and your diaphragm, which is a U-shaped muscle at the bottom of your ribs, which get forced down when breathing in and then relaxes when breathing out. This helps for breathing. Another function of the muscular system would be heat production. For example, shivering when cold or when exercising. Thermoreceptors respond and make you hot. Construction of the organs and vessels. Muscular walls because blood flows at high speed. When you're resting, or at normal exercise, it is forced. And for vasodilation and vasoconstriction, when blood needs to be predominant at one area of the body or not so much at another area of the body.